Have you ever wondered how to achieve financial prudence and secure your future? Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of smart budgeting, where every dollar counts. Ever thought about creating a budget that not only fits your lifestyle, but also helps you reach your financial goals? Or perhaps you're curious about how to track your expenses effectively in this digital age. Join us as we explore these topics and more, from savvy spending habits to expert investment strategies. Get ready to embark on a journey toward financial wisdom. So, are you ready to master the art of smart budgeting? Subscribe to this channel and let's begin. 1. Creating a realistic budget. Creating a realistic budget is the cornerstone of financial prudence. A budget acts as a financial roadmap, guiding individuals and families toward their financial goals. To create an effective budget, one must start by understanding their income and expenses. Begin by listing all sources of income, including salaries, freelance work, or any other revenue streams. It's crucial to calculate the total monthly income accurately. Next, categorize expenses into fixed and variable categories. Fixed expenses include essential costs like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, insurance, and debt repayments. Variable expenses encompass discretionary spending such as dining out, entertainment, and shopping. It's important to be honest and comprehensive while listing expenses, ensuring no item is overlooked. Once income and expenses are outlined, the next step is to set financial goals. These goals could range from creating an emergency fund, saving for a vacation, or planning for retirement. Goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart allocating a portion of the budget towards these goals ensures steady progress. Creating a budget also involves accounting for irregular expenses like annual subscriptions or maintenance costs. One effective way to manage these irregular expenses is by setting aside a small amount monthly, creating a dedicated fund for such occurrences. Additionally, factoring in a buffer for unexpected expenses can prevent budgetary strain during emergencies. Reviewing and adjusting the budget regularly is equally important. Life circumstances change, and so should the budget. A quarterly or yearly review helps in identifying areas where adjustments are necessary. It could involve cutting down unnecessary expenses, renegotiating utility bills, or finding ways to increase income. 2. Effective expense tracking. Expense tracking plays a pivotal role in financial management. It provides insights into spending habits, making it easier to identify areas for improvement and savings. Various methods and tools are available to track expenses effectively. One popular method is the envelope system, where cash is allocated to specific categories like groceries, entertainment, or dining out. When the envelope is empty, there's no more spending in that category for the month, promoting discipline and conscious spending. In the digital age, numerous budgeting apps and software simplify expense tracking. These tools automatically categorize expenses, providing visual representations of spending patterns. They often send alerts for approaching budget limits or unusual spending, enhancing financial awareness. Additionally, maintaining a daily spending journal can be enlightening. By noting down every expenditure, individuals gain a deep understanding of their spending behavior. This manual approach fosters mindfulness, encouraging people to think twice before making non-essential purchases. Credit and debit card statements are valuable resources for tracking expenses. Regularly reviewing these statements helps identify unnecessary subscriptions, auto renewals, or fraudulent charges, ensuring financial resources are utilized wisely. In conclusion, effective expense tracking empowers individuals to make informed financial decisions. It enhances awareness, promotes responsible spending, and contributes significantly to the overall success of a budget. Whether through digital tools or traditional methods, the key is consistency and a proactive approach to tracking expenses. 3. Saving strategies. Developing or Saving strategy is fundamental to financial prudence. One of the primary goals of saving is to establish an emergency fund. This fund acts as a financial safety net, providing a cushion in times of unexpected expenses or loss of income. Financial experts often recommend setting aside at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account, ensuring peace of mind during challenging situations. Automating savings is a powerful technique to cultivate consistent saving habits. Setting up automatic transfers from the primary checking account to a designated savings account ensures that a portion of the income is saved before it can be spent impulsively. This approach leverages the principle of paying yourself first, making saving a priority rather than an afterthought. Moreover, exploring ways to cut costs contributes significantly to saving endeavors. Negotiating bills, canceling unused subscriptions, and opting for energy-efficient appliances are simple yet effective methods to reduce regular expenses. Redirecting the money saved from these efforts directly into a savings account amplifies the impact of these small changes over time. Investment avenues also play a vital role in saving strategies. Allocating a portion of savings into investments such as mutual funds, stocks, or retirement accounts can yield substantial returns over the long term. Diversification, spreading investments across different assets, mitigates risks and enhances the potential for growth. 4. Debt management. Prudent management of debts is crucial for maintaining a healthy financial life. High-interest debts, such as credit card balances, can accumulate quickly, leading to a cycle of financial stress. One effective strategy is debt consolidation, where multiple high-interest debts are combined into a single, low-interest loan. This simplifies payments and reduces the overall interest burden, making it easier to manage and pay off debts. Negotiating with creditors can also be fruitful. Many creditors are willing to work with individuals facing financial difficulties. Negotiating for lower interest rates or more favorable repayment terms can provide breathing room and accelerate the debt repayment process. It's essential to communicate proactively with creditors, explaining the situation honestly and seeking feasible solutions. Creating a structured debt repayment plan is another vital step. Prioritizing high-interest debts and making consistent, timely payments is key. Snowball and avalanche methods are popular approaches. The snowball method involves paying off the smallest debt first, providing a psychological boost, while the avalanche method focuses on high-interest debts, saving more money in the long run. Avoiding unnecessary debt is equally important. While certain debts, like mortgages or student loans, are often necessary, incurring debts for non-essential items can lead to financial strain. Practicing financial discipline and distinguishing between needs and wants prevents accumulating debt that could hinder future financial goals. Additionally, financial education is essential. Understanding the terms and conditions of loans, credit cards, and interest rates empowers individuals to make informed decisions. Avoiding predatory lending practices and ensuring that debts are manageable and sustainable. 5. Smart spending habits. Developing smart spending habits is a vital aspect of financial prudence. One key principle is distinguishing between needs and wants. Needs are essential for survival, such as food, shelter, and clothing, while wants are non-essential items like luxury goods or excessive entertainment expenses. By focusing on fulfilling needs first and then allocating resources to wants, individuals can maintain a balanced and sustainable budget. Comparison shopping is another smart spending technique. With the rise of online shopping, it's easier than ever to compare prices and find the best deals. Utilizing price comparison websites and apps allows consumers to identify the most cost-effective options, ensuring they get value for their money. Additionally, being patient and waiting for sales or discounts can lead to significant savings on various purchases. Practicing mindfulness in spending is essential. Impulse buying can quickly derail a budget. One effective method to counter impulsive purchases is implementing a 24-hour rule. Before making a significant purchase, wait for 24 hours. This waiting period allows time for rational thinking and often results in more deliberate spending choices. Understanding the psychological aspects of spending is crucial. Many people indulge in retail therapy or impulsive buying as a response to stress or emotions. Recognizing these triggers and finding alternative, healthier coping mechanisms can prevent unnecessary expenditures. Building hobbies or activities that don't involve spending money can be both fulfilling and financially responsible. 6. Investing for the future. Investing is a powerful tool for securing one's financial future. It involves committing money to an investment vehicle with the expectation of generating income or profit. Long-term investments, such as retirement accounts or mutual funds, provide an opportunity for wealth accumulation through compound interest. Compound interest allows the initial investment to grow not only based on the principal amount, but also on the accumulated interest from previous periods. Over time, this compounding effect can significantly increase the invested sum. Diversification is a fundamental principle of investing. Spreading investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, reduces risk. If one sector performs poorly, gains in other areas can offset the losses, ensuring a more stable overall portfolio. Regularly reviewing and rebalancing the investment portfolio is essential to maintain diversification. Understanding risk tolerance is crucial when investing. Risk tolerance refers to an individual's ability to withstand fluctuations in the value of their investments. Younger individuals often have a higher risk tolerance as they have more time to recover from potential losses. On the other hand, individuals nearing retirement might opt for more conservative, low-risk investments to preserve their savings. Educating oneself about different investment options is paramount. Whether it's individual stocks, index funds, or real estate. Having a basic understanding of how each investment works, associated risks, and potential returns enables informed decision-making. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide personalized guidance, tailored to individual financial goals and risk tolerance, ensuring a well-informed approach to investing. As we conclude our exploration of smart budgeting tips for financial prudence, we hope you found the insights shared here valuable. Remember, financial stability is not a destination. It's a journey to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Feel free to leave any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos in the comments below. Knowledge is empowering, and we're here to support you every step of the way on your financial journey. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions on personal finance, budgeting, investing, and all things related to financial well-being. Remember, your financial future starts now. Take care, and until next time, stay financially prudent.